Good day.
Today we are going to fix this very cool, very cute and colorful fan.
It's dead, but we'll try if we can fix it.
Please join us. We hope you'll enjoy.
We'll check the continuity first from the plug prongs while turning on the switch.
There is no reading on the tester. Means the circuit is broken, right?
You are right.
Maybe the switch.
We'll check it.
Sometimes it's only the switch.
But we're not sure, so we'll have to check it.
Please consider subscribing to our channel.
Now, we'll check the switch continuity. It must have a very low resistance, nearly zero.
There's a deflection on the tester.
The switch is working perfectly.
So you're telling me it wants to work, but chooses not to?
Exactly. Which means the problem is
Hiding? Yes, my favorite kind. The sneaky problem.
the problem is possibly the motor.
Okay, so we'll open and check the motor?
Of course, we'll inspect it visually and check its continuity.
Oh, I know. It's the thermal fuse inside the motor.
Nope. This type of fan has no fuse or thermal fuse.
Why is there no fuse on that fan? Is it safe to use?
It's still safe anyway. And we will see what the real cause is inside this motor.
Oh, a broken wire.
This is the real cause. But before connecting it, we have to check the motor first to see if it's good or not.
How?
By continuity test and by manually checking if the motor is wiggling or not. Now, let's check the motor continuity.
The tester needle deflects, which means the motor is good, right?
You're right, so now, we can proceed to the next step, connecting the broken wire. You know what? The windings of this motor are made of a very thin wire, maybe thinner than hair, maybe a reason why a fuse is no longer needed. This thin wire is as fragile as the fuse is. And maybe fans of this type are designed by the manufacturer as disposable in nature. If they break, they are replaced rather than repaired.
And we're repairing it.
I once heard from a friend who was a technician. He says that not all disposables are really disposable, some are still reparable, like this fan. We're now going to connect the wire.
Please remind the wire. This is not a solo career.
All right, let's close it up.
Therapy session complete. Hey, quick note before we wrap up. If you found this helpful or enjoyable, we'd really appreciate it if you considered subscribing. No pressure at all, but it helps the channel more than you might think, and lets us keep making videos like this. Either way, thanks for being here and for watching.
We'll assemble the fan, and in just a little while, it will be ready for testing. Now, we will see.
Look at that. Colorful, confident, and finally doing its job.
Lesson learned.
It's never the big parts. It's always one small thing ruining everything.
Thanks for watching.